Hi guys, today is the Milo Run. Unfortunately, it's raining. So this will be an epic run guys. See ya. Raining heavily na. Epic run talaga kasi umuulan. So first fun run namin pero it's raining. Okay, so good luck sa atin later. Ligo na lang tayo agad later. Buti na lang meron tayong Sunday park. Balak pa. It's raining. Oh, mag-uumpisa na din. Mga tao. We're about to start.
Untuk kategori open, kategori master, dan juga kategori nasional.
Here we go! Basang-basang! Epic run! Woo! Approaching 1 kilo. Last 2 kilometers. Woo. Last few meters. We're finished the 10K. What a run!
Semangat! Ayo yang mau ngejar pesan habis 5K.
Yes! Okay, natapos namin ang 10K. Yeah. Sorry. Thank you. Chape. Fresh pa din. Okay, may tubig guys. Kasi water. Thank you. Ya, siapa?
Abang Andika, semangat Bang Andika.
Thank you. So, the run is finished. Inulan tayo. The only thing is, ang tagal kong nakuha yung luggage. So, next time, magbayad na lang tayo para mas madali. Wala na, tapos